As we all know, no one can live without water, and this is the first need of any living being. You should understand the importance of water in your life. Earth is the only known planet in this universe that has water and life. The unmindful wastage of clean drinking water is one of the most serious threats in front of the world. Water is life's matter and matrix, mother and medium. There is no life without water. When the well is dry, we know the worth of water. All the water that will ever be is right now. The earth, the air, the land, and the water are not an inheritance from our forefathers but on loan from our children. So we have to hand over to them at least as it was handed over to us. This life is like a swimming pool. You dive into the water, but you can't see how deep it is. Drink pure water, stay healthy. There is no small pressure, there is no small pleasure in pure water. Nothing is softer or more flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it. Many a calm river begins as a turbulent waterfall, yet none hurtles and foams all the way to the sea. A drop of water, if it could write out its own history, would explain the universe to us. Where the waters do agree, it is quite wonderful the relief they give. The fall of dropping water wears away the stone. You swam in a river of chance and coincidence. You clung to the happiest accidents, the rest you let float by. They both listened silently to the water, which to them was not just water but the voice of life, the voice of being, the voice of perpetual being. A lake carries you into recesses of feeling otherwise impenetrable. In rivers, the water that you touch is the last of what has passed and the first of that which comes. So, with present time, when the well is dry, we know the worth of water. Water is sufficient, the spirit moves over water. When life places stones in your path, be the water. A persistent drop of water will wear away even the hardest stone. It is life, I think, to watch the water. A man can learn so many things. Human nature is like water, it takes the shape of its container. Don't flush our planet's most valuable resource. Don't let the water run when you brush your teeth. Don't let the water run in the sink. Our life is on the brink. Clean water should be a necessity. No matter how much rich you are, you can't live without water. Water is the one substance from which the earth can conceal nothing. It sucks out its innermost secrets and brings them to our very lips. No water, no life, no blue, no green. Water is life, don't waste it. If there is no water, there is no life. The fall of dropping water wears away the stone. A river is more than an amenity, it is a treasure. How many drops make up an ocean? Conserve water, every drop counts. Life depends on water, but the reservoir depends on you. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. Water links us to our neighborhood in a way more profound and complex than any other. Water is life's matter matrix and medium. There is no life without water, save now to secure future. It's a strange world of language in which skating on thin ice can get you into hot water. Make every drop of water count. Save water, it will save you later. In this world, there is nothing more submissive and weak than water because attacking that which is hard and strong, nothing can surpass it. Save water, shower with a friend. If there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. You see through love, and that dilutes your sight as what is straight seems crooked through the water. Water is where life comes from. Don't be a leak in the pipeline, prevent water loss. If you gave me several million years, then there would be nothing that did not grow in beauty if it were surrounded by water. Whatever may be the occupation, water preservation is our obligation. Don't make nature cry, keep your water clean. Water is life, so don't heat and waste your life. Save water for your daughter. If you conserve water, it means you conserve life. Maybe a little water is a seed to an ant. Learn the importance. Store water for dry days. We forget that the water cycle and it will ignore our life cycle. Life on earth would not exist without liquid water. We need your helping hand to save water, sky, and land. Conserving water is conserving life. Save water, secure the future. Save water and save the life on the earth. Save water today, use water tomorrow. Water, a priceless treasure. Save it with pleasure. You can live without love, but not without water. Don't let the water run when you brush your teeth. You can't live without water. Water is precious, conserve when you do dishes. Water makes the world go around, save the drop. Filthy water cannot be washed. It's a strange world of language in which skating on thin ice can get you into hot water. A river is more than an amenity, it is a treasure. I love the sounds and the power of pounding water, whether it is the waves or a waterfall. Until justice rolls down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream. Life is like the ocean, it goes up and down.